Fresh ruckus erupts, this time over Chief Minister of Telangana Revanth Reddy's speech in the Assembly session. In fact, today, while speaking on the budget session, the Chief Minister went on to state what he felt regarding the comments made by former Chief Minister of Telangana and the current leader of opposition, K. Chandrasekhar Rao's statements on him. In fact, he goes on to state in using unparliamentary words, stating that former Chief Minister KCR has been shown where he stands with respect to people. He also went on to state that the public have in fact stripped him of his ego and have removed his pants and shirt and have showed him the way forward. Those were the comments that were made by Chief Minister of Telangana Revanth Reddy during the assembly sessions that took place today, following which several BRS MLAs protested and staged a walkout right out of the assembly. Going ahead, while they were going to interact with the media, they were in fact stopped by the police security with barricades that were also set up, and the BRS MLAs sat down and started protesting, demanding that there was no freedom of speech and that the current Congress government in Telangana is snubbing the voices of the people.
మాజీ ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా 10 ఏళ్లు పనిచేసి కేంద్ర మంత్రిగా పనిచేసి రాష్ట్ర మంత్రిగా పనిచేసి శాసనసభ్యుడిగా పనిచేసి పార్లమెంటుగా పనిచేసి గొప్పలు చెప్పుకొని జబ్బలు జరుచుకునే ఉద్యమకారుని అనేటైన ప్రధాన ప్రతిపక్ష పార్టీ హోదాలో ఉండి ఒక రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రిని పట్టుకొని ఏం బీకనిక పోయినావు అని అడిగితే రా ఇప్పటికే ప్రజల్ని ప్యాంట్ ఊడబిక్కురు ఉన్న అంగి చొక్కా కూడా ఊడబిక్కాం ఇప్పటికే తెలంగాణ ప్రజలు మొన్న జరిగిన ఎన్నికలలో మీ పాయింట్ ఊడవీకిరు ఇవాళ ఆ పాయింట్ ఊడవీకితే చెప్పుకునే దిక్కులేక బొక్కబోర్ల పడితే బొక్కలిరిగినాయి మీకు. అయినా మీ బుద్ధి మారలేదు. ఒక ముఖ్యమంత్రిని పట్టుకొని ఏం బీకనిక పోయినావని అడుగుతారా అధ్యక్ష? ఇది పద్ధత? ఈ రాష్ట్రం 4 కోట్ల ప్రజలు ఓట్లేసి గెలిపించిన ముఖ్యమంత్రిని పట్టుకొని ఏం దిక్కనికపోయినామని అంటారా అధ్యక్ష? ఇదేనా తెలంగాణ సాంప్రదాయము?
Interesting session today at Telangana Assembly. BRS MLAs in fact protested to the Chief Minister's speech and had proceeded to walk out. I'm here with the former Deputy Chief Minister. Sir, what happened exactly in the Assembly? What was the proceedings and what went wrong?
Today, the proceedings in Assembly were on budget 2024-25. BRS, on behalf of BRS party, I started my speech and we were discussing on the budget. Particularly, the Congress party made several promises and given several assurances to the people of Telangana. But we could not find any allocations to those promises and assurances, particularly the 6 guarantees, which helped them to gain the power, to come into the power. So when I was asking on the allocations for welfare programs, and when I was asking for the allocations for 6 guarantees and 13 assurances, they are not in a position to give us proper reply. Instead of that, they want to interrupt my speech and they want to divert the discussion on the budget. Unfortunately, to divert this discussion, CM entered into the assembly and straight away he took mic and he started talking on Kaleshwaram project and visit to Medigada barrage. That was nothing to do with today's business. The Kaleshwaram project or the visit to Medigada barrage, both were not listed in the today's business. Though those 2 issues were not in the agendas, CM was speaking on that subject and he was making sweeping remarks against ex-Chief Minister, the present LOP. And he used very filthy language, very bad language against ex-Chief Minister and present LOP. Again, some other member made sweeping comments against me. So we raised and we objected to that and we protested to the speech made by the CM and also the speech by other members. And we have requested several times the Honorable Speaker to give us mic to explain our stand on the Kaleshwaram project or on the visit to Medigada barrage or to continue the discussion on the budget. But Speaker never allowed us, in spite of our several attempts to draw his attention. He could not respond to us. He could not see us. So in that, at that stage, though after making so many attempts, and after making so many attempts to draw the attention of the speaker, the response from the speaker chair was not there. That's why at that time we made walkout and came out of the assembly. And we thought at least we should go to the media point and we should explain our stand, why we made walkout to the people. So we went to media point. There also police objected to us, obstructed our way, and they have made barricades and they have not allowed us. Unfortunate, there was no space for the BRS to say something in the assembly. There was no space even outside the assembly, within the premises of assembly, to say something and to explain our stand to the people. This is very unfortunate, and this is very undemocratic. So, after when police objected to our media press meet, objected to going to media point, we came to Telangana Bhavan, and here we had a press meet. We have requested the Honorable Speaker to expunge the sweeping remarks made by the Honorable Chief Minister against the ex-Chief Minister. And we have also requested the member made sweeping remarks against Kadiyam Srihari, that's myself. And there was no response. The reason just being, they are fearing, they are afraid of all these facts going to the people. There was no budget allocation for many assurances or promises. So if all these things goes to public, they will be in a defense and public will ask them. To stop that, they have made all this drama.
So do you think that these kind of remarks that were made, unparliamentary language used by the Chief Minister and against you also several leaders?
We have we expect someone occupies some important position. He will change his attitude, he will improve his language, and he will change his relations in a better way towards the people. But here, the present Chief Minister of Telangana, Mr. Revanth Reddy, is continuing the same style of functioning. Before becoming Chief Minister, he made several sweeping remarks or speeches against BRS and BRS party leaders. After coming to the chair, we expect that he change his attitude, but he has not changed his attitude. He is just targeting the BRS and BRS party leader. This is not in any way going to help the Chief Minister, and this is no way going to improve his image. At least now, he should know that he is a Chief Minister and he is leading the state. Using filthy language, bad language, or his bad attitude, going to cause damage to the state's image and state's reputation. And he should also keep in mind, when he speaks something, he is expressing the voice of the Telangana people. So that he should know, and at least he should understand he is a Chief Minister, he should control himself, he should contain himself, and he should talk positively, proactively.
That was the former Deputy Chief Minister there, Karyam Srihari, going on to state that yes, the kind of language that was used by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy was in fact crass, and he also goes on to state that this kind of language will not flow as the Chief Minister represents the people of the state, that is Telangana. With video journalist Damodar, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today.